The Stigler 480 acres is a southeastern Oklahoma ranch that has 23 permanently fenced pastures, ranging in size from 1 to 60 acres, with 14 plus ponds for livestock water. The headquarters are set up for shipping and receiving, with a set of feeding pens with sheds, loadouts for trucks or stock trailers, a covered working facility, and digital scales. The relatively new shop provides storage for equipment, feed, and medicine, an office, and living quarters. The northern 280 acres also has a set of steel pens with a working chute and loadouts. Add in an abundance of Bermuda, Clover, and native grasses, over 40 inches of annual rainfall, and proximity to 15 auction barns, and you have a beautiful place custom made for the stocker operator or the cow-calf man looking to maximize his acreage through rotational grazing. Come visit the Stigler 480 acres today.